Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of throwing away things you feel could still be useful? Do you love adding a personal touch to your home decor? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to transform everyday items you probably have lying around into amazing, practical crafts. It's super easy, fun, and a great way to be more sustainable. So, let's get our creative hats on and dive right in. First up, let's talk about those glass jars from pasta sauce or pickles. Don't toss them. With a bit of paint, some twine, or even fabric scraps, you can turn them into beautiful storage containers. I love painting mine with chalk paint and using them in the kitchen for things like rice, pasta, or coffee beans. You can also wrap some jute rope around the top, pop in a few flowers, and you've got a rustic vase. It's a simple project that takes less than an hour and adds so much charm to your space. Next, what about old t-shirts? We all have a few that are too worn out to wear but too sentimental to throw away. Here's a no-sew idea. Turn them into a cool tote bag. Just lay the shirt flat, cut off the sleeves and the neckline, then make a series of cuts along the bottom hem. Tie the front and back strips together with double knots, and voila, you have a brand new, sturdy bag perfect for groceries or a trip to the beach. It's a fantastic way to give your favorite old tees a second life. Finally, let's get creative with toilet paper rolls. Yes, you heard me right. These little cardboard tubes are incredibly versatile, too. Can flatten them, cut them into rings, and glue them together to create a stunning piece of wall art that looks like wrought iron. Just spray paint it black for a chic, modern look. Or use them to organize your desk. Decorate them with washi tape or wrapping paper and stand them up in a shoebox lid to hold pens, pencils, and cables. It's an easy way to keep your workspace tidy and stylish. So, there you have it, 3 simple and practical craft ideas to upcycle common household items. It just goes to show that with a little imagination, you can create something beautiful and useful out of almost anything. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own DIY projects. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time.